Now you're ready to use hifold. Place the unfolded hifold on a vehicle seat in a seating location that has a vehicle lap and shoulder belt. Do not place the booster in a seating location that only has a lap belt. Slide the hifold booster back on the seat cushion so that the back of the headrest and seat bottom make contact with the vehicle seat back cushion. Some vehicle seat backs are adjustable. Adjust the vehicle seat back so that it is in contact with the hifold booster seat on the back of the headrest and the seat bottom. It's important that the back of the headrest must contact the front of the vehicle seat cushion. Do not use the booster in a seat position where the headrest is above the vehicle seat back or headrest. Sit the child on the hifold seat with the child in contact with the seat back of the booster and not slouching down on the seat bottom with the lower torso forward of the back of the seat back. Adjust the seat height, the bottom sides, the seat back sides and the headrest sides so they are correctly positioned close to the child. Now secure the child with the vehicle lap and shoulder belt. Pull the vehicle lap and shoulder belt across the front of the child and buckle the seat belt. Route the vehicle lap belts through the lap belt guides on both seat bottom sides and pull on the shoulder belt to remove slack from the lap belt. Place the vehicle shoulder belt over the child's chest and into the shoulder belt guide by sliding the entire belt rearwards into the slot on the underside of the headrest. Then guide the edge up and over the red slot cover so the belt lays flat through the shoulder belt guides. Make sure the belts are not twisted. You should refer to the vehicle owner's manual for instructions on proper use and placement of the lap and shoulder belt. Adjust the height of the headrest to position the shoulder belt guide just above the top of the child's shoulder. Make sure the full width of the shoulder belt is on the child's shoulder. Additional adjustments of the headrest height and headrest side width may be required to position the shoulder belt fully on the child's shoulder and off the neck. Please note that the vehicle lap belt must go through the lap belt guides on both sides of the booster, but do not place the shoulder belt through either of the lap belt guides. Snugly adjust the vehicle lap and shoulder belt around the child. Snugly adjust the lap belt and then the shoulder belt. Pull on the shoulder belt on the outside of the seat bottom side to snugly adjust the vehicle lap belt, and pull on the shoulder belt on the outside of the headrest to snugly adjust the vehicle shoulder belt. Always refer to the vehicle owner's manual for instructions on the proper adjustment of the vehicle lap and shoulder belts.